Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1aauto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
Right here is the tail light, and you're going to want to remove these two 10mm bolts. I'm using a 10mm socket, an extension, and a quarter drive ratchet. So we'll start by spinning these out. As soon as you crack them loose, you should be able to take them out right by hand, because they're not all that tight. Once the two screws are out, you should be able to pretty much pop this right off just by pulling it straight out. You can see there's a few tabs. Right here, it slides on this tab, and then there's two little push pins that it pops into. From that point, you can take it right off the car just by unplugging that one connector. This taillight has 4 bulbs in it. There's the 2 main bulbs, and then there's the additional smaller bulbs. We'll start with this one. Right here, you just turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise, and it'll pop right out of the housing. To get it out of the connector, you just pull it. It's a very simple design. It's been around for a long time. To put it back in, put it back in the housing, make sure all the tabs line up, and you turn it to lock it in place. The other bulbs are very similar. We'll do this one next. Turn it counterclockwise, then you can pull the bulb right out. To get it back in, line up the tabs and turn it clockwise right back into place. Lower bulb, same thing. You can pull it out. Sometimes the seal will stick. This one's the clear bulb, you can see, as opposed to the orange one up above. You can pull the bulb right out. Putting it back in is just as easy. Line up the tabs and turn it to lock it into place. Lastly is this little guy. And this is another really common bulb that's been around forever. It's a little simple 194. It just slides right in there. Line up the tabs to put it back in. Make sure the seal is there. And you can lock it into the taillight. Putting the taillight back on, you'll want to connect this connector. And then you want to make sure that you line up this groove and these 2 push pins so that it sits on the car appropriately. Just like that. Now you'll take your 2 10mm screws. You always want to start them by hand without any real force on them so that they don't cross thread. And then you can tighten them up with your ratchet and extension.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.